Welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. Today I have a bring and other Thanksgiving special recipe. Today I'm gonna teach you how to prep your turkey, season it or butter up. If you follow my channel regular, I already have a share very secret recipe with you how to prepare a flavored butter. I'm gonna use the same recipe to flavor my butter, but today I'm gonna teach you a special technique. If you are new to baking your turkey on Thanksgiving, you have to learn this. You have to defrost your turkey ahead. You don't want to open your turkey on the same day and then find out it's a frozen. If you have a buy frozen turkey, you have to let it out for one day so all the ice can be melted. As you can see, it's already water dripping into my tray. Even when you are using into your fridge, refrigerator, you should use a tray underneath so all the water can stay on a tray and not drip inside of your refrigerator. So today I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna open it, what is inside of your turkey. We're gonna clean it and then we're gonna start seasoning. So let's go ahead and start it. So the first thing you have to do, first of all, clean your sink fully, remove all the dishwash soap or anything if you have, because you don't want anything go inside of your turkey. And then bring your turkey to your sink, because that's the safest thing to do. All right, and we're gonna cut you can tell easily when your finger go inside your turkey is already defrost. All right, so now I'm gonna show you there's some goodies inside of this turkey as well. Let's see what we're gonna find it. So this bag which we have find, I guess that's a gizzard. The gizzard, half heart, and the liver. All right, just clean this and put this aside. The gizzard and the heart we can use to make our gravy, and this you can just the roasted or bake it with salt and pepper. Let's see what's we got more inside on the other side. That's a fat. This also you can use for make gravy. And here we got turkey neck. All right, take this as well. We're gonna wash this well from inside. Remove these feathers. You see this thing? That's a thermometer popper. So I know so many people they take this out, but I like to keep it because that will tell us when our turkey is ready. That will automatically pop up. All right, just remove feathers from skin. Okay, and once you are satisfied that your bird is cleaned, then we're gonna dry with the paper towel. Now it's time we're gonna transfer our turkey to tray, and then we're gonna dry with a paper towel, and then we will starting buttering up our turkey. So our turkey is nicely clean, and I have already prepared my flavored butter with the seasonings and herbs ahead. I will put a recipe in a description box. I had prepared this without the lemon juice drops. Now I just gonna add a lemon juice drops and to mix it. I did not add ahead because I don't want it become like a watery, you know. So it's always nice to add lemon juice right on a time when you are buttering up your bird. All right, we're gonna mix them, and this is the perfect recipe I'm using from 6 years now. I have already added salt and pepper, rosemary, parsley, you know, lemon zest, lemon juice, and fresh garlic clove inside of that. You can add any other spices if you want it, but we just like to have a salt and pepper. And simply we're just gonna start filling those spaces underneath the skin, because under skin is like more white meat, and with butter we want it get dark. You can move this ahead. Just carefully, gently, don't try to break the skin, but try to go inside. See how my hand is going inside here? My fingers. And you can keep pressing the butter go under the skin. That's what gonna make your butter skin more crispy and golden. Okay. All right, now we can flip our butter upside down, and gonna do same technique on other side as well. That's the messy job, so make sure you have your apron. You don't have much other stuff around. And you can see the butter is here under the skin. All right, overall that's it. Find more spaces where you can easily reach it, you know, and you are still able to use the butter under the skin. All right, and then you can use olive oil on top of the skin, on up and bottom, and that what gonna make more crispy your skin. So now our bird is ready to put inside of our refrigerator. You can do this prep ahead for 1 day, 2 day, or if you have a good refrigerator, you can do couple days ahead. I know so many my friends, they just do same day, but believe me, if you do things little ahead, which you can, that will save a lot of tension. You know, you don't need to rushed or like, you know, stressed out yourself. All right, so our bird is butter up, and now it's ready to just to wrap up with the aluminum foil, and I gonna take with this tray and put in a refrigerator until Thanksgiving. Now it's a stress free because when I gonna take bird from refrigerator on Thanksgiving. I just gonna stuff it inside whatever I want to use and then just put inside of oven, and that's it. It's stress free because half of stuff is already done. I hope you have liked our today video. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. Feel free to share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers. Love you all. Have a blessed, safe Thanksgiving. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.